Hi guys, this is Joy again. In today's video, sharing with you how to make a sausage roll. Let's get started. Check everything I'm going to be using in my description box. This is the kind of flour I use. It's called Arena de Trigo. I promise somebody I will be showing it to her, the kind of flour I use. This is the same flour I use for my chin also. I add a pinch of salt to it, a baking powder, sugar, paprika for coloring. I'll give it a gentle stir. At this time, I will be adding my margarine to it. Use your two hands to do this until it's well combined. So once it's like this, make a hole at the middle and add in your liquid milk. When you are adding your milk, make sure it's not too you are not adding your milk once to avoid it being too liquid. It's perfectly okay. So I will allow it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. So this is a kind of a sausage I'm going to be using. This is a chicken sausage. So for those that live in Spain, I got this one in Mercadona supermarket. And to all my returning subscriber, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for tuning in again. And if today is your first time of coming across this humble channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Be a part of this humble family so that whenever we upload a new video, you will be first to be notified. And we'll upload this soon again. I'll be adding a little paprika. So on this, guys, you don't really require much ingredients on it because it came with ingredients on it already. It's only for me to add the paprika and well chopped onions, nothing else. This is a fresh chicken. At this point, the dough have already rested for 15 minutes. Wonderful. I'll go ahead and puncture it into two. I'll roll it out. When you are doing this, make sure it's not too thick and it's not too light. The essence of sprinkling flowers on it in order for it not to gum on the surface. So once you are done, take up the edges. So this egg with a drop of oil. So I will go ahead and grease the edge of the dough. I'll scoop it just at the side of it, just like so, like this you are seeing. I'll spread it. So once you are doing this, make sure you do this gently and make sure you have a floss in your hand. Once you roll it and you have achieved the size that you want to see, you take up the excess. So at this point, it's perfectly okay. So I will take up the excess. So the excess is not going to be thrown away, no. I will still make use of it. So once you are doing this, make sure that you get the equal size so that some will not be too big and while some will not be too small. So the leftover, I will take it off. So I have greased my pan with a drop of oil and flour. Feel free to check my description box. The few ingredients, it does not really require much. The few ingredients that I use will be there. So I have already finished it off camera. just the same way, just what you saw me doing for the first one. Our sausage is almost ready. Wonderful. Help me to share the video in all your platform. Don't you think your friends will be in need of it? They will appreciate if they learn how to make a yummy sausage at home. I'll go ahead and bake it for 200 degree very height. Can you see how colorful it is? It does not really need overheat when you are baking it, in order for the sausage meat on it to be well cooked. Thank you for watching. See you soon again in another satisfying video. Bye bye.